From Copy What I Use for Revision, and as promised now I'm actually going to give you a screen demonstration of what the product will look like once it's delivered to your inbox. Okay, so here's the first one. This is the 199 page manual that I was describing earlier. Okay, so you've got an introduction, then you've got your foundation tier, so you've got 16 lessons in the foundation tier. And then within the higher tier then, you've got 32 lessons, and the IGCSE tier is another then 3 lessons. Then you've got exam and review, some exam papers, why do most students go wrong, some exam pressure, summary and final word. Okay, and I'll just give you just a brief look of what it looks like. I won't go through the whole lot because obviously, as you can imagine, 199 pages is quite a lot, but you can just generally get the feel for it, can't you, of how it's actually presented to you. Okay, so that's the main manual, the 199 page. Now this one then is how you can do in half the time, and he actually goes on to explain. I mean, I didn't realise children in Finland go to school a lot later. They go when they're age 7, but they're actually doing apparently really well in their exams. And then he explains the 80-20 rule then, and then the importance of this Wilfredo Pareto, excuse my pronunciation if it's wrong, and what bearing he has got on this principle of why you can actually cut your revision time in half. So there's that one. And then we go on to this one then. This is the master shortcuts that I was explaining. So in this one then, you see it shows you then of what sort of thick shortcuts he's going to cover. These are quite clever actually when you're multiplying by different numbers. Then finding common multiples, expressing a large number in standard form quickly, formula triangles, finding the median values. You get the drift. I mean, there's 30 pages there and they're fantastic. They're just showing you, see, it breaks it down how he actually makes it easier and quicker to do. So there's that book. Then how to maximise. This is how you can actually maximise every single subject that you study for. General, that's to do with the revision and the practice and how to concentrate. Theory-based and essay-based subjects, revising what are the best ways to revise for them, why motivation is key. So again, this is a handy little booklet here that you can read through and help your children with. Okay, you can see there. He's got like flow charts and things. Again, it's a really good tool to use to help your children with. And this one, I haven't actually looked at this one because it says it's for schools. So to be honest with you, I didn't really use this one much. But again, it's probably well worth a read to see what exactly I think it's to do with really of why students do well in some exams and why they struggle in others and how to maximise that one. And then this one then, again, another handy one is actually how to prepare for a maths exam. See who am I, how the brain works, self-learning, the numeracy rate. That one's quite alarming really to see that we're towards the bottom of the league tables for maths. So I think we could do with all the help we can do with maths. How to prepare, why rote learning isn't effective, more tips and advice. So again, this is another lovely little tool to use. See, it's quite interesting to know how the brain works and how we store information. Okay, so that sort of gives you a little idea of what's in that one as well. And I see as well as that then, you've got all the video presentations then where you actually, I won't go into those because obviously they're self-explanatory, just goes through exam style questions with videos. So I hope that's given you sort of an insight as to what is covered with this, because if you're like me, I like to sort of physically look at what something looks like as well before I purchase, and hope this has been useful. If you have found what I've found useful and informative, please pop a comment in there for me so that I know that I'm, doing what you want me to do and that I can do more of it. And if you can pop a like, that obviously helps me, but it also helps more people to find me as well, because YouTube will share more of my stuff with people. And again, I'll pop some of those useful links at the bottom of my YouTube channel for you. And just to remind you as well, I've also got a Facebook group, Copy What I Use for Revision. And I've also got a blog as well, all of which I've got links to at the top of my YouTube channel. You just press on the icons, it'll take you straight to them. Okay, well again, thanks for watching to the end. Really appreciate it. Speak to you again real soon. Bye for now.